Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Amarjeet. Now we are watching Short Coding. So today again I have come with a new video how to make Rangoli. This type Rangoli you can see on desktop screen. How to make Rangoli? Use Python turtle. So today I will make use Python using Python turtle to make Rangoli. Do you want to know? Then watch full video. Don't skip video. So let's go our desktop screen and open your text editor. I will open our Pycharm and open Pycharm and here create a class. I create a new class, new Python file, Rangoli. Rangoli dot sorry, not take Rangoli because already I have created. So Rangoli 2 dot py. Make a class it first here, right? First I will import turtle. Right? Import, sorry, import turtle st. Turtle st. Next I will give background color. P dot bg color. I will give black because black looking like is so good. So you can give another. You can give another. So I give black. Next T dot pen size. T dot pen size. I will give 3. And next tracer. 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 I will give 100. Next HT. HT. Null. So next here using for loop. I here using I for loop. So use for I in range for I in range. How much 600 colon next. And here choose color. Here give color. Here give color. I will give only I give two colors, pink and white. So pink, white, pink and white. Next color. T dot color. T dot color. Here give color and I modulus. Here give modulus I modulus 2. Then hit enter. Next FD I give FDI. Next RT I will give 20. Next again here using for loop. So here write for I in range 6. Then hit enter. Next again FDI. Again I give FDI and next RT. Next RT. RT I will give 145. Not much more. 145. Next BK. T dot BK. I by 2. I by 2 and hit enter. Next LT. Next LT. I will give LT 180. And next done. My program is successfully completed and only 18 line program. From 18 line program you make beautiful rangoli. So next I'll going on or run this program. Click right click on file name and run. You can see which type. This is very beautiful Rangoli. You can see here give mm, pink and white. Here I give with here I will give white, green. Next run. You can see it's very beautiful. Looking is very beautiful. You can change green. Here give green, yellow, red. I will give next red. Say run. You can see is very looking is very beautiful. I hope you understood this program. So if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe my channel. So thank you.